Hey there, welcome to Piñatas Contentidad, where we're mixing a little bit of spooky with a whole lot of fun this Halloween. Hello, lovers of fun and frights. I'm your host from Piñatas Contentidad, and this year, we're going to make your house the most spooktacular one on the block, without making your wallet scream in terror. Today, I'm bringing you 3 super affordable and creative ideas for your Halloween decorations. And make sure you stick around until the end, because I've saved the cherry on top that will take your party to a whole new level. Let's get started. Ghosts in the house? Yes, please. But the kind that decorate and don't scare you much. This idea is so easy that even the little ones can help out. What do you need? White balloons, cheesecloth, white tulle, or even old sheets you no longer use, fishing line, black permanent marker, and if you want, liquid starch or a mix of white glue and water. Super simple, right? Okay, here's the step-by-step. First, inflate the balloons to the size you want your ghost's head to be. Then, drape a piece of fabric over each balloon. If you want them to hold a more rigid shape, you can spray them with starch or the glue mixture and let them dry. Once they're dry, or if you prefer the fabric to hang naturally, just use the marker to draw on some big eyes and, if you like, a spooky or funny mouth. Now, pop the balloon and carefully remove it. The shape will remain. Finally, tie a piece of fishing line to the top and hang them from the ceiling, from trees in your yard, or even a doorway. The floating effect is honestly fantastic and, wow, super cheap. All set and ready to fly, adding a fun and mysterious touch to your spaces. Do you feel like you're being watched? With this idea, your guests will feel it too. It's perfect for gardens, balconies, or really any dark corner of your home. So, what do you need for this fun project? Well, gather up some cardboard tubes from paper towels or toilet paper rolls. You'll also need a pair of scissors or a craft knife. And don't forget the glow sticks in different colors. That's it. Alright, let's dive into the step-by-step. First, take those cardboard tubes and carefully cut out different eye shapes. They can be slanted, round, evil, or even surprised. Really, let your imagination run wild. Then, when the night of your party arrives, simply activate the glow sticks and insert them inside the cardboard tubes. Finally, hide your eyes in the garden bushes, behind flower pots, or in any dark spot you can find. The effect is incredible, mysterious, and will only cost you the price of a few glow sticks. It's a decoration that will definitely surprise everyone. It's not Halloween without bats. And honestly, this is the easiest and most budget-friendly way to have an invasion on your walls. So, what do you need? Black cardstock paper, scissors, a pencil, and masking tape or double-sided tape that won't damage your walls. The step-by-step goes like this. Draw or print a bat silhouette in different sizes to give the decoration more dynamism. Use that template to trace and cut out a bunch of bats from the black cardstock. Then, slightly fold the wings of each bat to give them a 3-dimensional effect. Finally, stick them on the wall, creating a swarm that flies out of a corner, from behind a piece of furniture, or towards a window. In just a few minutes, you'll have a stunning, super Instagrammable decoration that cost you next to nothing. And now, for what you've all been waiting for. You've got amazing low-cost decorations, but, how do we make your party truly unforgettable? With the cherry on top that only Piñatas Contentidad can offer. Forget about the same old boring piñatas. Imagine all your guests gathered around an incredible piñata shaped like a charming vampire, a mysterious black cat, or even the villain from your favorite horror movie. At Piñatas Contentidad, we create the piñata of your dreams. Do you want one that looks like Jack Skellington? You got it. Would you prefer a fun witch with a pointy hat and all? Of course. A custom piñata isn't just a game, it's the centerpiece of your decor, the most anticipated moment of the party, and the memory everyone will take home. Fill it with the most delicious candy and get ready for an explosion of joy. So now you know, bring your Halloween party to life with these budget-friendly ideas and crown it all with a spectacular custom piñata. What are you waiting for? Visit our website at www.piñatascontentidad.com or send us a message on our social media channels to order your custom Halloween piñata today, and don't forget to tell us in the comments which of these ideas are you going to try. Happy and spooky Halloween, everyone!